Here's how to install the Sora AI app on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet and running the latest iOS version for the best experience. Now unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Type Sora AI in the search bar and press Search. Look for the official Sora AI app. Make sure the developer name is correct to avoid fake or copy apps. Tap Get or the download icon. Confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch the Sora AI app. Sign in with your account or create a new one if required to start using Sora AI features. And that's it. You've successfully installed Sora AI on your iPhone. Subscribe for more AI and iPhone tutorials.